Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where we learn English naturally and happily. I'm Emma.
Rahul, you are the most handsome man in the world. You are a genius. You can fly.
Rahul, what are you doing?
Oh, hi Emma. I am practicing my positive affirmations. I am telling myself good things.
But you said you can fly. Is that true?
Well, no. Honestly, I cannot fly. And honestly, I am not a genius. I forgot where I put my keys this morning.
Aha! You used the magic word, honestly.
I did? I use it all the time. Honestly, I am hungry. Honestly, I am tired.
That is great, because today's topic is exactly that, how to use honestly correctly. It's one of the most popular words in English.
Honestly, I think this is going to be a great episode. See, I did it again.
You're on a roll, but before we tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, we have a request.
Yes, if you want us to be honest with you, please subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And click the like button. Honestly, it makes our day better.
And share this video with a friend who tells lies. Maybe they need this lesson.
Okay, Rahul, usage number 1, the softener. Sometimes we have to say something negative or difficult. We use honestly to make it softer.
Like if I don't like your cooking?
Exactly. Imagine I made you a cake. It tastes like salt and old socks. What do you say?
I say, delicious. I love old socks.
No, you don't want to lie, but you don't want to be rude. So you say, honestly, Emma, it's a little too salty.
Ah, I see. It prepares you for the bad news. Honestly, I don't want to go to the party. Honestly, I didn't like the movie.
Perfect. It sounds polite. It means I am telling you my true feeling. Please don't be mad.
Okay, let me try. Emma, honestly, that sweater is very bright.
Thank you for your honesty, Rahul. I like bright colors.
See? No fighting.
Usage number 2, the emphasis. We use it when we really, really mean something, to show we're serious.
Like, I swear?
Yes, I honestly didn't steal your cookie. I honestly don't know the answer.
I honestly thought today was Sunday. That happens to me a lot.
Here, you put honestly before the verb. I honestly don't know.
Can I put it at the end? I don't know, honestly.
Yes, that works too. I don't know, honestly.
Honestly, English is very flexible.
Usage number 3, to be frank or to be fair. This is a phrase, to be honest. We use it when we give an opinion.
TBH. That's the text message slang, TBH.
Yes, TBH is to be honest. To be honest, I prefer tea over coffee.
To be honest, I prefer sleeping over working.
To be honest, I think Rahul is very funny.
Aw, thank you. To be honest, I think Emma is a great teacher.
Look at us just being nice and honest.
But Emma, be careful. If you say honestly too much, people might think you are usually a liar.
That's a very good point, Rahul. If you say, honestly, I'm telling the truth, it sounds suspicious.
Honestly, officer, it wasn't me. Honestly, I didn't eat the last slice of pizza.
Exactly. Your face says pizza, but your mouth says honestly. Don't overuse it. Use it only when you really mean it.
Okay, use it like a spice, not too much salt.
Precisely. Let's recap the truth about honestly.
Let's break it down.
1. The softener. Use honestly to soften a negative opinion. Honestly, I'm too tired to go out.
2. The emphasis. Use it to show you are serious. I honestly forgot your birthday. I am so sorry.
3. The phrase, to be honest, or TBH. Use it to introduce your opinion. To be honest, this is my favorite episode.
4. The warning. Don't use it too much or you sound like a suspicious criminal. Honestly, officer, it wasn't me.
And 5. Pronunciation. The H is silent. It's honestly, not honestly.
Onestly, like on. Don't breathe on people. No, honestly.
Perfect pronunciation tip.
I honestly feel smarter now.
Me too. Before we go, we want an honest answer from our listeners.
Yes, in the comments below, complete this sentence. Honestly, I am afraid of blank.
Tell us your true fear. Honestly, I am afraid of the dark. Honestly, I am afraid of spiders.
Honestly, I am afraid of running out of snacks.
Be brave and tell us.
So please write a comment and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Give us a big thumbs up. Honestly, it helps us reach more students.
Thank you for watching. We love you, honestly.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Whispering, honestly, I'm going to eat a sandwich now.